Hi, good morning. It's Tuesday, the 22nd, and I've been emailing you about things that are missing. Don't forget, you're supposed to spend 60 minutes a day for English and 60 minutes a day for social studies. So, what you're doing is what we're doing in class, so you should have plenty of time to finish your assignments. So, and you can email me with any questions. Be sure and listen to your message, look at your agenda. Make sure you're in Google Classroom, you're looking under the dates and from what I'm telling you we're doing, because you're emailing me about where it is and it's right there. If it's social studies, it's going to be in Google Social Studies. If it's anything to do with English, it's going to be in your ELA Google Classroom. So be sure and check those places. Okay, today we're going to finish working on the IXLs, the cues, and we're going to, on your iPad, you have an ebooks, and you're going to click on that today, and you're going to insert a bundle code. And that bundle code is NBAART. And I'll email you that too. So your bundle code, you're going to be able to get our literature book online. So it's capital N, capital B, capital AA, capital RT. And I'll email you that too in case you don't catch it here. So we're going to finish all the cues. So after today, all of the cues in IXL Language Arts 6th grade should be completed. And then you should download the ebook by inserting the bundle code. And that probably will take all of your time today. We're going to start working on a perfect paragraph. And I'll have to send that picture to you, what that looks like, and so you can do it digitally. We're going to work on that read works yesterday. Some people need to go back and redo that, and so make sure that you are listening to the audio. Here at school, we're not doing the audio. They're having to read that, but you have the advantage of being able to do it digitally, so you can listen to it and go back and answer your questions. Make sure that you restate short answers. 8, 9, and 10 both are short answers. They're not multiple choice, so you'll have to restate the question and make sure you go back and look. Most of them are in chronological order. They come one after another, but not all of them. I believe 8, 9, and 10, they're not in any certain order. Okay, we're going to start a chart today. I have put that in Google Classroom where we're going to compare his laws, which laws were fair, we feel are fair, and which laws that we feel were cruel. And so we're going to brainstorm together in class, and then I will send you that, and then you'll have to come up with one or two of your own. But I'll make sure I email you that, more information about that today. And I think that's already been posted, but that's probably all that we'll have time for today, is to finish that read works and then work on that chart. Okay, so again, if you got questions, let me know, but be sure and look at your message, be sure and look at Google Classroom, what's posted, and then look at the agenda. Those things are where your information is. When you're asking me some things, you're not looking on those. And so hopefully you have things caught up from when I emailed you and told you what you're missing. The quarter's not that far off, so if you're missing anything, you need to catch that up. Okay? All right, email me if you have questions. Have a good day. Bye.